Well, a federal judge in Boston says the Trump administration's move to block Harvard from enrolling international students will remain on hold for now. This comes one day after the Department of Homeland Security said it's changing its mind about when the policy would take effect. Fox's Kaylee Schuyler was inside the courtroom in Boston. Kaylee, this letter from DHS giving Harvard this 30-day extension, it really shook things up, right?
Yeah, that's right, Sherman. Today, government attorneys tried arguing that the judge didn't need to take any action because they no longer plan on revoking Harvard's student visa program immediately. The Trump administration says it now wants to give Harvard 30 days to show it's making progress against anti-Semitism. But Harvard's lawyers say they don't trust the government won't change its mind again over the next month. So ultimately, the judge ordered DHS not to touch Harvard's student visa program for now, which means the school can continue enrolling international students. Harvard lawyers said that all these threats are scaring students and making them want to transfer. And on top of this happening, simultaneously, Harvard's commencement was happening over in Cambridge, where it was a mix of protesters and pride and excitement. But several alumni and current international students wanted to be back at the courthouse to watch the case unfold.
I think it was clear that the judge was sympathetic to the concerns that international students are suffering harm and may suffer harm from the government's attempts to kick them out.
So I think Harvard, if you had stood up a little bit more or a lot more with more spine and said, hey, no, this is not what's happening. We stand for knowledge and veritas, that this situation probably wouldn't be the case.
Today, one government attorney insinuated that there were other ways they could try to revoke visas for international students, but the judge seemed a little skeptical of that too. But for now, both sides are working together to see what's next, and there currently is not another hearing on the calendar. In Boston, Kaylee Schuyler, Fox 26 News.